Okay, we're gonna make some cupcakes now.
Wow!
Some.
I want some cupcakes.
I know you do. So we need a bowl. See, we have to read the instructions. See, it tells us what we need. We need a cup of water. We need 3 eggs and a half cup of vegetable oil.
Let's make some cupcakes.
This is a measuring cup. So we need to hold on. Put it here. So we need to put half a cup. See, half a cup will be right here of oil. So half a cup. See, half a cup. Pour the oil in there. Good job. So wait a minute, let's make sure get all the oil out. So we're gonna need 1 cup of water. Pour it in there. Yes, we need 3 eggs. So let's move. Hold on. That's your mixing spoon.
Na.
So we're gonna crack the egg. That's 1 egg. 2 eggs. Now I'm gonna crack the eggs. Try not to get the shell inside. So 3 eggs. So we need 1 more egg, right? Crack. So now Reagan can start mixing around. Okay, you can mix around. Mix. This recipe calls for a mixer. Reagan, the noise. She don't like the noise, so we'll just wing it out. Okay, did you get your spoon? Yeah, you can use your spoon. Hold on. Okay, your spoon. So we're gonna sprinkle it in. Sprinkle. This is red velvet cake. And guys, Nanison is no baker, so we gotta do the box. We gotta do the box cake. Okay, so we're gonna just mix it around. Come on, mix it around. You see it's turning red? This is red velvet. Do you like red velvet? Good job. So you have to hold the spoon and go round and round and beat it and beat it and beat it. You want Nana to just mix it? Looks like blood, doesn't it? It's red velvet. Uh-oh. Here. Hold the spoon, don't let the spoon drop in. Hold it. Ew. But it's gonna taste good. You're done?
Let's make cupcake.
Yeah, we're making cupcake, but you have to hold your spoon. Don't let it drop down. You. Okay. Okay, Nana's gonna mix it, so let Nana mix it. So let's get it off. Get it off. So you have to beat it. See? Beat it. Can you beat it? See? Whip it. Whip it good. Let's go. Faster. Faster. Let's make a roll. That's fun. We have to mix it till it gets smooth and there's no lump in it. So you gotta mix it good. Mix it. Put the spoon down. Look what you're doing. Hey, look what you're doing. Don't make a mess. You gotta pay attention to what you're doing. Your hands tired? Guys, this is just a baking practice with Reagan. This is no baking for no wedding or no birthday or anything. So we don't have to get it too smooth. Looks like ketchup, doesn't it? It looks like ketchup. And it looks like, what else is red?
Cupcake.
Yeah, cupcake. And what else is red? Apple is red.
Yes, baked it.
What else is red?
Cupcake maybe.
Yeah, baking what are we baking?
Bake it.
Cupcakes.
Oh.
So I'm gonna grease the pan. No, oh, wipe your hand. Don't put it in your mouth. Put your hand. Okay, let's move
Round and round the circle.
round and round the bowl. This is a bowl. Round and round the bowl. Like a little girl. 1 step, 2 step. Tika! Round and round the bowl. Like a little girl. 1 step, 2 step. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Another tip is to make things fun. It got to be fun and silly. Okay, that's enough. Then Nana get the pan, and then Nana gonna turn on the oven. We need 12 of them, eh? I don't know if we're gonna get 12. Okay, we have some pans here. So wait a minute. So what you're gonna do, Reagan? You're gonna put one. Put one in there. Put one here.
2,
2,
3,
3. There you go.
4, 5.
Good job. Good job. So let's move these things out of the way. Okay, let's move them out of the way. So good job. So that's one pan. So we need to do some more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job, Baba. Good job. Okay, now this is where the magic happens, right? Okay, now. Okay, let me. So we're gonna put it in. Let's see. Let's bring it closer. So let's see. I wonder if I have anything I can pour this in with. Oh my goodness. Just pour it in. Help me Jesus, help me Jesus. Oh, it's working.
Uh-oh.
1. Hold on. Oh, it's working good. Oh, I talked too fast. Whoa. Ooh, wait a minute. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm making a mess. Okay. Oh, I'm making a mess right here. Nana's making a mess. Okay. Ooh. Nana have to put in the bacon now. Leave it alone. So let's go. Let's pour it in. I'm not sure if I put. Oh. Hold on. 1. Count. 2. 3. 4. 5. Oh. 6. Okay, so the rest we can just throw it in the pan here. Ooh, go around. Ooh. Okay, so let's put the rest in here. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, so we can put it in. So I have to put it in the oven so it can bake, and then we'll have cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
When the cupcakes are done, we're gonna some icing on the top. Preheat oven to 350. I'm going to put them in the oven now.
Oops. Ah.
2 and 3. Can you open the oven? Open the oven for me, come. Good job. We did all the hard work. Now it's time to wait. Good job, Reagan. We were such a good sport. Okay, so now we wait. Okay, this is the whipped cream. This is the whipped. This is
one of my words.
Yeah, this is the whipped cream brand we'll be using. Betty Crocker. Reagan do not like ants. I don't know what ants do. But So I'm going to order her some books about ants, explaining the importance. Okay. Okay, I'm going to see you in a few. Okay guys, we're back and sad, I know. They're done. So we're going to put icing on our cupcakes and we're going to do it the old fashioned way. Yay! You excited?
Excited.
Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to fill up a bag for you, Reagan. I'm going to put it in the bag and then you can squeeze it on, okay? So let's fill up your bag. This is icing. So
Ice cream.
icing, not ice cream, icing. So we put some in the bag like that and like that. Hold on and put some more.
I put some more.
You want to taste it? No, you want to taste it? Is it good? It's good. Okay, so we're going to zip it back and we're going to put it in the corner here. And then we're going to have to open up. This is just a fun exercise, guys. Nothing serious, okay? Okay, wait a minute. This is for you. Hold on. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Okay, so Reagan, I'm going to cut a little hole in here for you. And then you're going to squeeze it. See? Squeeze around and around and around. Some of them burn. Okay. Can you do that? So squeeze around and around. Squeeze it. Good job. Around and around and around and squeeze. Good job. You have to put some, squeeze it. You have to squeeze it out. Good job. Around and around and around. Good job, Reagan. Good job. So now it's Nana time to put some on her. You did so good. Squeeze it out. Squeeze it. You need some more? Let's squeeze it some more. Squeeze. Ooh, let's squeeze some more. Ooh. Hold on. Reagan, you have to wait. Uh-oh. Come rub it around. Rub it around with your finger. Rub it around. So let's do it around. No, not with your tongue, with your fingers. Use your finger. Reagan. I'm sending this home to I sending this home to your parents. Since you're putting your tongue all over the thing. Okay, around and around and around. Good job, Reagan. Reagan, you did so good so far. I'm so proud of you. So here, this is for you since you. There you go.
Thank you.
You want another one or you just want one? You want another one? Or you just want one? Okay, and
What?
this is what it looked like, guys. I think it came out okay. Is it good? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? You want some more? Yeah. Okay, here. Sit down. Put it down. You like it? Is it good? Is it yummy? So Reagan, this was a success. Reagan, high five. High five. High five. So our baking session was a success. Did you like the bake? You remember? You remember all we used? We used 3 eggs. We used a half cup of oil, vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water and the cake mix, and that was it. right? And you beat it and beat it and beat it, and then we put it in the oven, right? Right? We put it in the oven. Okay, so let me try. Let me try.
Look.
You want to cut it?
No.
Ooh. Ooh, I let it go. Oh. Oh, the paper boy up. Oh, Lord. Okay, sorry. Oh, I think I'm supposed to put the oil in the paper. Next time. Hold on, let me throw it away. You want, you want another one?
Another one?
Yeah, you can take one. You just want the icing of it? See? It's good. See? Reagan is only licking the icing. But it's okay. I mean, it got a little burn, but I didn't put no oil in the paper. But next time we can do it right. Reagan. So you can put in the cupcake. See some dinosaur? You can put dino in the cupcake. See, we can put some stick in the cupcake. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Dinosaur egg. David, you want to put on two? Frano!
I want to.
See, dinosaur egg. Here's the dino. Dino. You want dinosaur egg? Okay, I think our little baking session. You had fun baking? You had fun baking cupcakes? Yes? So you had a lot of fun? I had fun baking cupcakes with you. So you want to bake cupcakes again another day? Okay, so I'm just going to clean up, and it was a good exercise. It was a good experiment. So I'm sure we'll be doing it again. So stay tuned. Now it seems like Reagan don't like the red velvet. So maybe I'll try a different, probably a pink cake or a yellow cake next time. I giving you this one because some people licking off all icing. So I think this for y'all.
Sophie.
You want to take one of these? Give me. Say hi to the people.
Take it in my face.
Okay, so you could, I guess you put these here also, yeah? She looking over all icing. So I guess you could carry this. Look at her, look at her. She's not eating the cupcake, she's just licking off the icing. Well, it was a great success. I'm happy and she's happy.